How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App. So let's begin. First, open up your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, you will see Bitcoin option. So just click on it. It's right here. After you click on it, you will see your Bitcoin right here. Now you will need to tap on deposit Bitcoin. Tap on deposit Bitcoin, and from here you will need to copy an address. So just click on copy address. The copy button is right besides the address. After you do that, you will need to go back to your Bitcoin. Now here you will see the send button right besides buy and sell. Tap on it. After you do that, you will be able to send your Bitcoin. You can just click on this toggle button, this one right here, to change Bitcoin between USD and Bitcoin. After you do that, after you select the amount that you want to send, you will be able to select the speed. Now there are three speeds. One is priority. This will charge you a bit more. Then you have rush. It will take 2 hours, but it will still charge you money. And there's the standard one. Now this is free, but it takes 24 hours. So just select the one that you want and then tap on next. After you do that, you will need to confirm your withdrawal to external wallet. Tap on confirm and send. It will require your Face ID. After you do that, you're basically good and you have transferred Bitcoin from your Cash App. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.